Alright, this is the new 2010 Subrosa Salvador. It's all stock, just got it today. Great bike, really is. The forks are stock, Subrosa. The rims are red alloy rims. The cranks are 3-piece with Odyssey twisted PC pedals. The crank itself is the Skeleton Crew 25 tooth crank. The seat is the Subrosa signature seat. I don't know if you can buy these anywhere, but it's what it is. The hub is a cassette. It's 9-tooth driver. Sweet sound, very loud. The stem is a front load stem, and the handlebars are stock, you know, Subrosa. The lever, the brake lever, is Tektro. They sound like shit, but work very, very well. The grips are Shadow Conspiracy grips. Don't hurt your hand that much. I really love these grips. And that's about it. And that's my bike check.